Oh, hello everybody, how's it going? This is Extreme Scratchers finally bringing you an update on the truck. Plus I'm going to be putting some stuff in. Got my sun visors and the new bars for it and everything. I got them pushed together. It took a while to do that. These things were a pain in the butt. But I got them all together now and I'm going to install them up in here. And it looks like I got the wrong one for this side. Yep, don't do that. Alright. Okay. Oh, here it is. That's the right one. So what I need to do is just get up in here and probably need to pull this all the way down. Get this. Okay, I haven't thought this through. Alright. Let's see if I can get this thing to... There we go. There we go. We got her. Now all I gotta do is get the old screws and get them on in. Yeah, I'm looking for it right there. Got the wrong part of the back. There we go. There we got them. And we can put their in. Whoop, wrong end on that too. Alright. Let's find. Should be on this thing, but it's not. Oh well, tell you what, I'll be right back. It'll take me just a second. Then go get him. Alright guys, that's what I'm looking for. Alright. And hopefully these are the right size. Let me check the ends of this. Yeah, oh, it looks like it'll do. That'll do in a pinch. Alright. Alrighty. Now, first of all, well, let's see if I can get her. Let's try this. Alright, let's get that in there. Up. Don't want to do that. Okay. Let's try something else this time. Come on. Where's that little hole at? Easy isn't a problem for me. Oh, there it is. You know, since there's only one room person in here, gotta do it myself. Let me get this out of here. Oh, this is my new cross member for my transmission. I'll be getting this in shortly too. Let me get this this stuff out of the way. That way I can get up in here like I should be able to. Get this all squared in. Push this back up. Yeah, I took this back of it off for right now because I got too many cats on my car. Laying up in here. Got cat hair up in here now. All the smell is gone though. But yeah, too many cats were calling this place home. Okay, let's see. Get that. Let's get a regular screwdriver. Oh my gosh. Okay. Alrighty there. Let's see if we can get this in. Was almost in there. Let's see if I could put there like that. Try this. Oh, okie dokie. All right. Alrighty. First one's in, guys. Wow. Alrighty. This is cool. And I'll be putting the mirror in too. I got that. Alright. Alright, where's the second one at? Alrighty. Alright. Oh, we don't want to scratch up the paint. No. No. Oh. Hold on, guys. Should have done this before I started. Alright. Oh. That's why the truck's moving around. Didn't have it in park. There we go. Alright, where is that other hole at? There it is. Alright. Now let's start the third one before we start tightening them all up. Let's get that third one in there. There we go. Alright, now we can tighten them up. Didn't see this one. This will help. Ooh. Yeah. There we go. Alright. So that first one is in, guys. Make sure you got these all the way in. Don't want to stretch. There we go. First sun visor is in, guys. Awesome. Haven't had a fun sun visor in here in a long time. Alrighty. Yep, it's all the way up. There we go. Push that forward. Now, let's see if we can get that mirror in. I need to find the screws for that real quick. Here's the old mirror thing. And got the screws in here somewhere. Okay, this says sun visor, sun visor, sun visor, sun visor. Yeah, I bought screws for the sun visor because I didn't think it came with them, but they did. So, got a whole bunch of screws. Okay, let's see here. Okay, here's one of them. Here's the 3 right here for the mirror. Alright. Happy to finally able to get to do a video for you guys. Haven't been able to do it in a while. Oh my gosh, that's gonna look so pretty. I think I'll leave it down like that, and then once I get it up, I will position it, and then I'll tighten her up. Okay, let's get this first one out. And okie dokie. Get that in there. Push that in like that. Now let's get that first one in. Oh, that's awesome. Now let's get the 2 side ones in. This is fun, guys. Finally getting to do some stuff to the truck. And also do a video for you guys. I like doing that. Yeah. Truck's looking really good, guys. Okay, next one. There we go. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. One more. One more. And then I'll switch the camera around when I go to do the other side. The other visor. That way you can see me doing that. Or you got the point, you know. These are the easiest things in the truck you can do. I also got the new dome light to put up here back in behind me. Alright. There we go. Nice and tight. There we go, guys. And now I can set the mirror up. Get a screwdriver and then tighten it down. Alright. Rear view mirror in the truck, finally. There we go. Oh, perfect. There we go, guys. Get the river mirror in. Driver's side of sun visor. Now, the passenger side sun visor. Let's go ahead and put this box down here. Get her at. Oh, wait. Oh, boy. And I'll get the other one and do that one. Alright. Copper brake lines. I'll give you a hint on the next video that I'm going to be doing. There you go. Alright. Here's that. Screws. Proper screwdriver. Maybe a little bit bigger one. That's too big. screwdriver. They're all flat tips. Alrighty, guys. I'm over here. Let's get this thing in. Look, I'm gonna pick this, get this up out of the way. That's the cover for it. Okie dokie. Well, bump the camper. Yeah. Alright, guys. Gonna get in here. Sit down. Put the sun visor in on this side now. And afterwards, I think I want to take out this all up. I'm gonna clean the dash off. Kind of dusty right now. And then I can show it to you again. It'll look really good. Okay, let's see if I can get these out of here. There we go. Okey-dokey. Alrighty. This seat in here is comfortable, guys. It's the old original one, but it was completely redone when I bought the truck, and it's been in storage, and I finally put it back in, and it's just as good as the day they put it together. So, what I'm going to do now is get this thing all on here. I gotta turn this thing. There we go. That should do it. There. Get it lined up with the top hole. Get it up with the top hole. Alright, there we are. There it is. Okay. Let's get that started. Come on, get it started, Oh. There, guys, I'm trying to... Guess what I just dropped? Yeah, screwdriver. And I think I scratched the paint. Oh boy. Okay, that's right there on it, right there. Now if I can just hold this up. No. I see where she went. Let's try this again. I'm right-handed, folks, so trying to do this on left-handed thread stuff is... Oh boy. Yeah. Come on, get in there. Get in there. Oh. Alright, I may have to hide my... Oh, maybe not. It's kind of holding itself right there for a second, so hopefully I can get this... There we go. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Alright. Let's get the second one in. That's where it is. Oh, there we go. Alright. I need to find that third screw. Excuse me, guys. Third screw looks a little crooked. I may have to pull it back out and redo it a little bit. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Now it's in straight. All right, guys. Awesome. What is tarnation? What's going on with this thing? Now, guys, I think I bent this thing when I was putting them in. Yeah. I'm going to take these screws back out. Okay. Alright. I think that'll do it. I didn't realize there was so much adjusting to these things. Oh my gosh. Okay. The other side went in just fine, guys. This one's not being so happy with me. This one is not cooperating. Okay, let's see if we can get this thing straighten out. Here we go. Oh wow. This is crooked, guys. This is really crooked. It's a good thing I got some extra screws because getting this in is going to be a little bit better. Harder than I thought. Okay. Alright guys, I'm going to have to work on this a little bit. Ah, bugger. What did those? I know I didn't do that. There's like a little... Ah, whatever. Okay. I know I'm putting it in right. But guys, I think this is completely bent. Alright, I gotta take it back out. Okay. So Forget it, guys. This should be going up in there just fine. So that means this is all bent up somehow. I think I still got the original ones, but oh well. Now, I'll work on this, get it done, but basically that's what I'm doing today, was getting these in. And I might put the backlight in, but I'm gonna go ahead and pause it for now, because I don't think you guys want to sit here and just watch me do this stuff all day. Put that here in my pocket. Alright guys, if you want to see more, stick around, because I plan on doing a lot. Like I said, I'm doing the brake lines right now, getting them done, but I need to see if I can get this with something going on with this, because it looks all, oh, I see what's going on. It's really bent. I did bend it. You see right here, there's this right here, this part of it is bent. So I gotta bend it back this way. Bend this part up, back, and then that should push it up. That's the problem. Okay guys, I'll get this fixed and get it installed, and I'll see you later. Alright everybody, I thought I told you I'd show you this when I was done cleaning it. It looks pretty good in here. Cleaned the windshield too. But got this side in, the mirror. The other one I gotta reorder. The thing is completely too bent out of shape, but this one's good. So that's it. Really good in here, guys. Alright guys, I'll see you later. Please, if you like my videos, give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you later. And I will continue working on it with the brake lines. Here. Show you what I've done so far. I've done the rear, but I need to redo it, because I want to go straight up from this side. And I'm going to show you with this, there's the hole in order to do it. They actually have a hole on this side to do get your brakes on either side, so going straight up. But it is done. I just got to transfer, basically flip it. This is copper, so it's going to be real easy to do it with. Alright guys, I'll see you later. Take care. And I'll film some more for you. Bye.